thinking of camping on a trip soon? Well, we have some advice for you.
What you need to do is you need to find out what you need to bring on a camp. Ow, that hurt. You need to bring what you need to bring on a camping trip.
That's what we're here to help you with.
We'll show you.
Come on in.
Follow us. So, my name's Pamela, and her name is Christy.
Hi, Pamela.
Hi, Christy. And first, what you want to bring is you want to bring a heavy-duty backpack.
Waterproof.
Bulletproof.
Water bottle side holder.
Exactly. You want to make sure that you bring some Alice in Wonderland socks, because you never know when your feetsies are going to get coldsies.
The key to the whole packing excursion is be prepared for everything.
And because you never know when the wind's going to start a-breezing, and you never know when the lake's going to start
hurricaning.
Exactly, and getting you all wet.
Food is the #1 priority at all times.
Yes.
You must have plenty of drinkage, calories, and things to keep you motivated to keep camping, because it's going to get tough.
And, but the most important thing, a Minnesota Loon t-shirt.
That's true, that's more important than calories.
Way more important than food.
Shoot. Dang it, I forgot mine.
Well, I can't remember everything. But, would you like to show them the cooler?
Hummus, cooler, super nutritious rice bars.
Rice, bacon, what else could you ask for in life?
Cell phone, gluten-free spaghetti,
Zevia!
extra toilet paper, crunchy McClusters,
a peach,
biodegradable Castile soap for the lake and for you,
black metal tape, what is that called again?
electrical tape,
Electrical
swimsuit,
kangaroos,
water,
something that held the water lid together to the water jug,
maps.
But you already showed that. Hipster glasses.
And most of all, most important besides the small tent, bring those you love.
And jerky.
Yeah.